central Bristol County in southeastern Massachusetts, northeastern Washington County in Rhode Island, Newport County in Rhode Island, eastern Kent County in Rhode Island, southeastern Providence County in Rhode Island, Bristol County in Rhode Island, until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Warwick, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Warwick, Cranston, East Providence, Coventry, West Warwick, North Kingstown, Newport, Bristol, Portsmouth, Barrington, Middletown, Narragansett, Tiverton, Westport, East Greenwich, Warren, Exeter, West Greenwich, Jamestown, and Little Compton. Severe thunderstorm watch number 6.